First, we need to remove the tube clamps from the steering column. Now, let's remove the lower wrap left side from the left side of the scooter. Next, we'll gently pop off the tube lift cover. Moving on, take off the upper left wrap from the left brake lever, remove any tape, and carefully clean and separate the wires. Next, we'll need to remove the battery, the deck, and the damper. After that, remove the stem cover followed by the LED PCB controller. Don't forget to separate the wires before removing the right lower wrap and the upper right wrap. Once those are removed, separate the wires again and move on to the EY4 display assembly and handlebar joint.